Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best baby boy gift set is probably one of the most thoughtful and practical ways to welcome a new arrival or celebrate a special occasion, offering a curated collection of essentials designed to make life easier for new parents while pampering their little one. These sets often include a delightful mix of adorable clothing, soft blankets, essential feeding items, and engaging toys, all coordinated to create a cohesive and charming presentation that's sure to impress. Number 5. Bubzi Baby Hand and Footprint Kit. Preserve your baby's tiny handprints and footprints forever with this easy-to-use kit. It's the perfect way to create a lasting keepsake of their early days. This kit allows you to create a beautiful clay imprint of your baby's hands and feet. It's a wonderful way to remember just how small they once were. The included frame provides an elegant way to display your baby's imprint and a favorite photo. It will be a lovely addition to any nursery decor. Looking for the perfect gift for a baby shower or registry? This personalized keepsake kit is a thoughtful and unique present for any new mom. Crafted with safety in mind, this kit is simple for parents to use, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. You can create a perfect imprint without any hassle. This handprint mold kit helps you capture a moment in time that you'll treasure for years to come. It's more than just a frame, it's a piece of your family history. What we like? This is a wonderful way to capture those fleeting early moments. If you're looking for a truly personal and lasting memento of your baby's first days, this is an excellent choice. It allows you to create a unique keepsake that will be cherished for years to come. What people say. The set includes a variety of essential items for a newborn, such as onesies, pants, socks, and a hat, all made from soft, breathable cotton. The designs are adorable and gender-neutral, making them perfect for any baby boy. The colors are vibrant and the patterns are cute. The quality of the fabric is excellent, holding up well after multiple washes without shrinking or fading. The stitching is also very durable. Number 4. Big Cartoon Truck Car Toys for 1-year-old boy. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic ABS material, these toys are built to last. With no small parts, you can have peace of mind knowing they are safe for your little one. Each vehicle boasts a different, vibrant color and an adorable design. These eye-catching features are sure to capture your child's attention and encourage exploration. The included playmat conveniently folds into a storage bag with Velcro. It's perfect for keeping everything together and taking the fun on the go. These colorful cars are easy to push and roll, helping babies develop balance as they crawl. They make for wonderful learning toys for young children. Looking for a special gift? This set makes an excellent choice for a baby's first birthday, Easter, or Christmas. It's a delightful present for any toddler. What we like? These toys are built to last and provide hours of fun. If you need a portable and engaging activity for your little one, especially for travel or playdates, this set is perfect. The included playmat doubles as a storage bag, making cleanup and transport a breeze. What people say? This set is adorable and the quality is great for the price. The onesie is super soft and fits perfectly. The little hat is a cute addition. I love the variety of items in this gift set. It has everything you need for a newborn. Number 3. Unnivoll Muslin Burp Cloths 12-pack. Introducing our premium Burp cloths, crafted from 100% cotton for ultimate softness. They are designed to be highly absorbent, keeping you and your baby clean and comfortable. These cloths are generously sized 20 foot x 10, providing ample coverage during feeding and burping. Their large dimensions ensure you're protected from messes. Made with your baby's delicate skin in mind, our muslin fabric is extra soft and breathable. You can trust them for everyday use without irritation. This 12-pack features a beautiful gradient pink design, perfect for your baby girl. They are as stylish as they are practical. Every new parent needs these essential burp cloths. They are a must-have for managing spit-ups and drools with ease and comfort. Our cloths are built to last and easy to care for. Simply machine wash them, and they'll remain soft and effective, ready for the next use. What we like? These are incredibly soft and absorbent for everyday use. If you're a parent who prioritizes comfort and practicality for your baby's sensitive skin, these are a must-have. They are designed to handle messes effectively while being gentle on your baby. What people say. This gift set is perfect for baby showers and new parents. The items included are high quality and very practical for everyday use. The design is adorable and the fabrics are soft and gentle on baby's skin. Number 2. Tickle and Maine Forest Animal Newborn Gift Set. Welcome your precious newborn with the Tickle and Maine Forest Animal Gift Set. It's the perfect way to start their journey. Wrap your baby in the ultra-soft cotton swaddle blanket, designed for ultimate comfort. It's gentle on their delicate skin. Spark their curiosity with the adorable plush tree rattle. It's perfect for little hands to grasp and explore. Introduce the joy of stories with the included charming storybook. Create magical moments together through reading. This delightful 3-piece set makes an ideal gift for baby showers and new parents. It's a thoughtful present they'll cherish. Explore a whimsical world with the charming forest animal theme. It brings a touch of nature's magic to their nursery. What we like. This set offers a delightful combination of comfort and engagement for a newborn. If you are searching for a thoughtfully curated gift that provides both sensory exploration and cozy security, this is an ideal option. It's perfect for creating a calming and stimulating environment for the baby. What people say. This gift set is perfect for baby showers and new parents. The items are made of soft, high-quality materials that are gentle on baby's skin. It includes essential items like onesies, bibs, and socks, making it a practical and thoughtful gift. Number 1. Bundle of Joy Deluxe New Baby Boy Gift Set. Introducing the Bundle of Joy Deluxe New Baby Boy Gift Set. It's a comprehensive 25-piece collection designed to welcome your little one. This all-in-one bundle includes a plush bear, a matching clothing set, a bodysuit, socks, a cap, mittens, and a bib. It has all the essentials for your baby. It also features a deluxe diaper changing clutch, a milestone blanket, receiving blankets, washcloths, a rubber duck, a soft book, and a picture frame. Presented in a stylish woven ombre basket, this set requires no extra wrapping. It's perfect for baby showers and gender reveal parties. Each item is carefully curated and hand-assembled, meeting the highest safety standards. You can be confident in the quality and safety of every piece. From Nikki's Gift Baskets, a family-owned company with over 20 years of experience. We are dedicated to your satisfaction and ensuring a personal touch with every gift. What we like. This is a comprehensive and beautifully presented gift for any new baby boy. If you want to give a gift that is both practical and impressive, offering a wide range of essential items, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for baby showers or gender reveals when you want to make a grand gesture. What people say. The outfit is made of soft cotton, perfect for a baby's sensitive skin. The set includes a onesie, pants, and a hat, offering a complete look. The design features cute animal prints that are very appealing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.